Welcome back friends. In this video we will study about some important straits. So if you are preparing for UPSC exam, you can visit our website isbio.com or exammap.com, and if you need the notes in the tabular form, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. So let's start. So the straits, a strait is a narrow passageway of water, usually between two continents or island, or between two larger bodies of water. So there are some straits. First one is Malacca Strait. It joins Andaman Sea and South China Sea, and the countries are Indonesia and Malaysia. Second is Park Strait, joins Park Bay and Bay of Bengal, and the country are India and Sri Lanka. Third one is Sunda Strait. It joins Java Sea and Indian Ocean, and the countries are Indonesia. Into the Indonesia, the part is Sumatra and Java. Fourth one is Yucatan Strait. It joins Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea, and the countries are Mexico and Cuba. Fifth one is Messina Strait. It joins Tyrrhenian Sea and Ionian Sea. The countries are Italy and Sicily. Sixth one is Bonifacio Strait. It joins Balearic Sea and Tyrrhenian Sea, and the countries are Sardinia, Italy, and Corsica, France. Next one is Otranto Strait. It joins Adriatic Sea and Ionian Sea. The countries are Italy and Albania. Next one is Bab El Mandeb Strait. It joins Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, and the countries are Yemen and Djibouti. Next one is Cook Strait. It joins South Pacific Ocean. In the South Pacific Ocean, it joins Tasman Sea and Pacific Ocean, and the countries are New Zealand, that is North and South Islands. Next one is Mozambique Strait. It joins Indian Ocean, and the countries are Mozambique and Madagascar. Next one is North Channel. It joins Irish Sea and Atlantic Ocean, and the countries are Ireland and England. Next one is Torres Strait, that is anthropology wala. It joins Arafura Sea and Gulf of Papua, and the countries are Papua New Guinea and Australia. Next one is Bass Strait. It joins Tasman Sea and South Sea. The countries are Australia, and it is between Manlade and Tasmania Strait. Next one is Bering Strait. It joins Bering Sea and Chukchi Sea, and the countries are Alaska and Russia. Next one is Bosphorus Strait, and it joins Black Sea and Marmara Sea, and the country is Turkey. Next one is Dardanelles Strait, and it joins Marmara Sea and Aegean Sea, and the country is Turkey. Next is Davis Strait, and it joins Baffin Bay and Atlantic Ocean, and the countries are Greenland and Canada. Next one is Denmark Strait. It joins North Atlantic and Arctic Ocean, and the countries are Greenland and Iceland. Next one is Dover Strait. It joins English Channel and North Sea, and the countries are England and France. Next is Florida Strait. It joins Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic Ocean, and it joins USA and Cuba. Next is Hormuz Strait. It joins Gulf of Persia and Gulf of Oman, and the country are Oman and Iran. Next one is Hudson Strait. It joins Gulf of Hudson and Atlantic Ocean, and the country is Canada. Next is Gibraltar Strait. It joins Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Sea, and the countries are Spain and Morocco. Next is Magellan Strait. It joins Pacific and South Atlantic Ocean, and the country is Chile. Next one is Makassar Strait. It joins Java Sea and Celebes Sea, and the country is Indonesia. Next one is Tsungaro Strait. It joins Japan Sea and Pacific Ocean, and the country is Japan. Next is Tatar Strait. It joins Japan Sea and Okhotsk Sea, and country is Russia. Next is La Perouse Strait. It joins Japan Sea and Okhotsk Sea, and the country is Russia. Next is Fairfax Strait. It joins South Pacific Ocean, and the country is New Zealand. And the last one is Formosa Strait, also known as Taiwan Strait. It joins South China Sea and East China Sea, and the countries are China and Taiwan. Thank you, class.